Okay, for this particular project is based on a sprite walking around and then playing a sound. So it's actually tagged Avery walking on a beach. So we're going to go right into it. When you watch the video, do yours and then send the link in the Google Classroom. That is the only way I can access you. So let's go right into it. I'm going to choose the sprite from the sprite library. Like I said, I'll choose an Ivory. So when you point at the sprite library here, so you go to people, or you can also search with this search bar here by typing, if you know the name of the sprite you are using. So is this particular one Avery Walking that I'm going to use. So I'll click on it, then I'll have it on my stage here. Because I don't need the cart there, I will need to delete the cart. And again, yes, I want to delete it. Then I'll drag the Ivory to the bottom of the stage. Now I also need to change my backdrops to the beach. Yes, there's a backdrop like that. You see where I click? I just need you to watch carefully. I click the backdrop library, not the sprite library. There are two blue buttons at the bottom right of your stage here. One is the sprite library, the other one is the backdrop library. The backdrop, also known as the background. So I click on the backdrop or the background library, then I will choose the beach. I think I saw something like this, a boardwalk on a beach. This looks like a beach actually. Then you can choose any one though, street walk, any of the backdrop that you like that will match the project you are building. Make sure it match the project you are building. Okay, you can't choose a dancing studio or concert for when you are building something that has to walk around. So I choose this one. Okay, you see it now. So I may need to push it to the particular walk board. You see, this is the walk board on the beach, so let it be on the walk board. I may also need to reduce the size, so that because of the size of my screen, I'll take it to 70. Reducing the size meaning you click on the sprite and then down here you type in the size you want. So I want it right here. Sometimes it may walk up and down like that, but then don't worry. So let's go right into writing the code for it. So the first one is when green flag clicked. This is the starting point and this is the green flag is here. So when it is clicked, what should happen? I need the work to continue repeatedly. So I click on control and then I bring this out right in there. So I need whatever action that is going to happen here to be on without stopping, except I close the, or I stop the game here, the project here. So the next one I will use is the costume. A costume will make it to change its legs, or change the style, or change the color. That's what costume do. So costume is in looks. Then I'll go right into next costume. Watch the sprite Ivory now. As I click on it before, you see, changing of style, different style, and this is what will make it to work, not just gliding this time around. So I put that right here in forever. So the next one is I need it to move. You know, as it's there, it's only just changing the style, is not moving. So I need it to move, and then move is in motion blocks. I'll click on motions and I'll drag this block out. Move 10 step. I'll put it right in there. So as it's moving, watch what will happen. You see, the movement is too fast. I don't need that. So I will need it to slow down a little bit. Walk like human being. So I'll click on control and bring right this one out. If I put 1 second in, it may be too slow for me. So I'll change this one to 0.2 second or 0.1 second, as the case may be. This will make the walking slow actually. So I put in right in there. So, and when I click the green flag, oh, this is a bit more normal than the first one. So what I will do next is, you can make it 0.1 though. Okay, so I'll leave mine to 0.2. You can choose yours. The next one is, you notice that when it goes up to the edge of the stage, it's stuck there. I need it to turn back to the other edge. Look at it now, it's stuck there. So I need to debug this, correct this. What I will do is to make it to turn, and what I will do is to go to motion. On motion, then I will choose a block that says, scroll down a little, there's a block that says set rotation style. Set the rotation style left to right. This will make it to turn around. Watch and see. As I click the green flag, it should turn round. Is this one that will make it to set the rotation to turn round? But then there's one more before this block. There's one more. It is this block actually, if on edge bounce. So it should be here before it should turn around. Watch what is going to happen here before I put this other block. So you notice here, right in here, when it got to the edge, it actually turned back. Can you see it now? It bounced back because I had this block already in it, and that is it. Then the last one, I will need it to play a sound. Okay, let me see. If it get to the edge, the other edge of the screen, it turns back. Okay, I will need it to play a sound for me while walking on the beach board on the beach. So I'll go to sound, this particular one. There's another sound block category here, but then if I click this one, I may know it's a pop sound that I will see here, but I don't want the pop side. I want my own sound from the sound library. There's a sound library button right here, so I'll click on it, and then I think I know the sound actually, but then let me see how I will. Is it spot? I think it's spot. Or you type, you search it. It's your dance celebrate sound. That is the sound that fits it. If you can hear it, yes, this sound fit it. You can also choose the sound that fit it exactly. So when this is done, I'll click on it, then I'll go back to code, click on code here. I'll see the sound right there. I'll drag and drop it there. So I'll have it. It gets stuck. What happened? Let me take it out. Without the sound, it's working. Then if I put the sound back, it gets stuck. No. So let's fix it. Maybe I will need to put another block and put the sound differently. I actually need the sound. So let me get this. When flag click, put a control to it forever, and then let's see what happens if this work for us. Okay, great. Can you see what happened? So we always think around to see. When I put the sound here, it got stuck. It doesn't work there, so I have to think something around it, and then we have our project for the day. Avery is walking on the beach with a headphone in his ears and then playing the music. It's a kind of form exercise, and it's up to you to do yours. When that is done and you are done building your scratch, look at it here. You go to setting or edit now. Nope. Let me see. I think I show you how to share your code in the other tutorials. You can go ahead and then copy the link. The link is actually here. Okay, you can copy the link from here. Right click right there, right click, and then you see copy there. When you copy the link there, you go to your class, Google Classroom, where you are requested to do. If you are in year 4 or year 5 or you are in year 6, you open your own classroom. You will see the instruction there, and then post your project like this there, and then you're good to go. I think there's a place we need to publish here. I don't know why I'm not seeing the publishing tool here. I need to see the publishing. Not here. What happened? There's a place to see a publishing. I wanted to show you. Just give me a second or two. Actually don't want. Oh, it's gone. All right, I'll do a different video on that and then show you how to send in. Some of you have done yours already. I'll also repost that video. Thank you. It's your turn now.